Okay, in this video we'll be talking about how to install Arduino software to your computer. So first we need to download the Arduino application to our computer and then we'll install it. For that we'll go to this website arduino.cc and then we'll go to software and select your system. For example, I will be using Windows device, so I'll be choosing the first option here. After that, we can press just download to start downloading, or if you want to contribute, you can contribute and download. And then we'll wait for the application to be downloaded. It will take time depending on your internet speed, so we can just fast forward it. Once it is downloaded, we can open the downloaded folder and find our installation file. So I'll double click on the file to install it. Windows will show us this screen, which basically asks the permission to install. So I'll just click yes. And here is the license of the agreement. So you can just go through it and click I agree. This is the important part. We need to install the USB driver for our Arduino to work, and I want desktop shortcut, so I'll just select all and then click next. This pop-up is saying where would you want to install the software. I'll just leave the default location and press install. Once installed, we can close the pop-up, and as you can see, this is my desktop shortcut. I can just delete the downloaded file because I have already installed it, and then open the file from desktop, and here is where you write the program. So this is just a basic code to blink an LED. Now to send the code to our physical Arduino board, we will first need to connect the board to our computer, and then go to board and Arduino AVR board and select Arduino Uno, which is our board. Again, go to board, Arduino AVR board and Arduino Uno. Then go to port and select the COM port with Arduino written in it. We can click verify button, which checks the error in code. Now press this upload button. We can save our code if you want. I'll just save it to my desktop with name blink LED and hit save. It will start uploading, and once it says done uploading, we are good to go.